Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Well, I just finished up this Glock 17 and Cerakote's bright white, so just gonna go run through it. The suppressor is done in the bright white as well. It's a YHM can, of course 9mm for the 9mm Glock 17. Anyway, I just did the slide and of course the can itself. Go ahead and do a little quick look-see over. All in all, I'm very happy with the work. Turned out nicely. As you can see. Got a couple different lighting sources. The daylight's behind, and of course that's more of a just candlelight, natural house bulbs. All in all, I think it turned out really well. Very happy with it. Customer likes white, so there you go. Let's go ahead and change the lighting source on here. A little more cream color than the natural light. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, any questions, comments, concerns, leave them. I'll answer accordingly. But all in all, turned out really well. Pretty happy with it. Once again, Glock 17 with a Cerakoted bright white slide and bright white can. It's a YHM can and 9mm. Pretty awesome.